Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into 25 practical steps to win friends and influence people. Whether you're trying to crush it in your career, build stronger relationships, or just become more likable, these tips will change the game for you. Instead of raining on someone's parade with criticism, try offering constructive feedback. Let's be real, everyone loves a good compliment. When you show genuine appreciation, it makes people feel valued and appreciated. Figure out what gets other people fired up and find common ground. This isn't about pretending to care. It's about actually giving a damn. Ask questions, listen to their stories, and show them you're invested in their life. Think about the people you enjoy being around the most. It's simple, but seriously powerful. A genuine smile is like an instant mood booster. Plus, did you know smiling can actually trick your brain into feeling happier? It's science-backed good vibes. You know how awkward it is when you forget someone's name? Don't be that person. Remembering names shows people you respect and value them. Plus, it's way easier to build a lasting connection when you can actually remember who you're talking to. Put down your phone, silence your inner monologue, and actually listen. Being a good listener means giving someone your undivided attention. Let them finish their thoughts, ask clarifying questions, and show them you're really trying to understand their perspective. Remember, it's not all about you. People love to talk about things they're passionate about. When you show genuine interest in what others care about, it creates a deeper connection and makes you way more memorable. Everyone wants to feel valued and respected. Even small gestures like remembering their birthday or asking about their day can go a long way in making someone feel special. Nobody wins in a heated argument. Instead of trying to win a debate, focus on finding common ground and understanding the other person's point of view. Just because you don't agree with someone doesn't mean you have to shut them down. Respecting other people's opinions means being open-minded and understanding that everyone has a different perspective. We all mess up sometimes, but it's how you handle it that matters. Owning up to your mistakes shows humility and builds trust. When you initiate interactions with a positive and friendly attitude, it sets the tone for a more constructive and enjoyable conversation. Start by finding common ground and building agreement. When you get someone to say yes early on, it creates momentum and makes them more receptive to your ideas. People are more invested in ideas they feel they came up with themselves. When people feel ownership over an idea, they're more likely to be passionate about implementing it. Step into their shoes and try to see the world through their eyes. When you make an effort to understand someone's perspective, you connect with them on a deeper level. Everyone wants to feel like they're making a difference. When you appeal to someone's desire to contribute to something bigger than themselves, you tap into a powerful source of motivation. Don't be boring. Bring your ideas to life with stories, examples, and metaphors. When you capture people's imaginations, they're more likely to remember and connect with your message. A little friendly competition can be a powerful motivator. When you challenge someone to step outside their comfort zone and strive for something, you ignite their competitive spirit. Celebrate the wins, big and small. When you acknowledge and appreciate someone's efforts, it reinforces positive behavior and makes them feel good about themselves. If you need to address a mistake, do it privately and with empathy. Remember, the goal is to help someone improve, not to make them feel bad about themselves. Don't be afraid to show your human side. When you're willing to admit your own flaws and mistakes, it makes others feel more comfortable doing the same. Vulnerability builds trust and creates a more open and honest environment. Nobody likes to be bossed around. When people feel like their opinions are valued, they're more likely to be cooperative and invested in the outcome. Help others see their potential and inspire them to grow. When you encourage someone to develop their skills and pursue their passions, you empower them to become the best version of themselves. When you highlight the benefits and positive outcomes of your suggestions, you make them more appealing and enjoyable. People are more likely to be enthusiastic about something if they see how it benefits them or contributes to a greater good. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content.